Hello student, welcome back again in online studies. Today we will start a poem number 5 that is Sixth Honest Serving Men. So you also take out your page number 10 and 11 and you can repeat after me. Now we will read and recite the poem. That is, you can see the beautiful pictures are there in the notebook on the textbook and you can enjoy that. So I keep 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why and when and how and where and who. I send them over land and sea. I send them east and west. But after they have worked for me, I give them all a rest. I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch and tea, for they are hungry men. But different folk have different views. I know a person small. She keeps 10 million serving men who get no rest at all. She sends them abroad on her own affairs from the second she opens her eyes. 1 million house, 2 million swears, and 7 million wise. The poet is Rudyard Kipling. So the glossary is also given under the poem, that is E'(EM) means them, sends them abroad on her own affairs. That is a phrase. It means that sends them away to other places to do her work. So what is given in the poem? As you all know, the title of the poem is Sixth Honest Serving Men. So it is the poem about the serving men. So the poet is telling us that she is keeping 6 honest serving men. Honest means loyal. Serving men means as a maid. She is keeping with her. And they taught me all I knew. And what they are doing, the serving men, what they are doing? They are teaching her what she knew already. And what are the name of that serving men? First name is what. Second name is why. Third name is when. Fourth one is how. Fifth one is where. And sixth one is who. So all these are the WH word. So that WH words she keeps with her as her serving men. So you must have known the meaning of this word. What यानी क्या, why यानी क्यों, when कहाँ, how कैसा, where कहाँ पर, who किसका. These are the words. So in next stanza she is explaining. She sent her over the land and the sea. कहाँ कहाँ पे वो भेजती है उनको? लैंड के ऊपर, सी के ऊपर. Then east and west. East and west means towards all the direction. और वहाँ पे वो उसके लिए काम करते हैं एंड वो फिर काम करने के बाद वो उनको रेस्ट करने के लिए छोड़ देती हैं. देन कब तक वो रेस्ट करते हैं? फॉर व्हाट, हाउ मच टाइम दे आर रेस्टिंग? दे आर रेस्टिंग टिल 9 to 5. Okay. And when she is busy, that serving men were preparing for her breakfast, lunch and tea also. She is preparing breakfast, lunch and tea and serving to that hungry men. But you know that the different people have different views. And she knows one person is very small and that person is keeping 10 million serving men. 10 million serving men वो एक छोटे से व्यक्ति के पास होती है और वो जो कभी नहीं रेस्ट करते. और वो जो छोटी सी व्यक्ति है, एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, वो उनको एब्रोड भेजती है. एब्रोड बोले तो कंट्री के बाहर दूसरे देशों में भी भेजती है उसके ओन जो मैटर है वो सॉल्व करने के लिए. जब वो आँख खोलती है तो देखती है कि 1 मिलियन हाउस उसके पास है. 1 मिलियन हाउ बोले तो कैसे. 2 मिलियंस उसके पास वेयर है, कहाँ से कहाँ. और 7 मिलियंस उसके पास क्यों है. सो गेस who must be that small person. Yes, the small person is her tongue only. The poet says that he keeps 6 honest serving men at home who taught him all he knew. Their names are what, why, when, how, where, and who. He sends them over land and sea, east and west, but after they have worked for him, he gives them all a rest. He lets them rest from 9 to 5, for at that time she is busy. He also allows them to rest during the breakfast, lunch and tea, for they are hungry men. But he says, different people have different opinion. He knows a small person who keeps 10 million serving men, and they got no rest at all. The moment she opens her eyes, she sends them to various places to do her work. He says, she sends 1 million hows, 2 million wares, and 7 million whys. So this is just a simple poem, and I hope you have understood this poem. This is very interesting, and you also read the poem, recite the poem, and whatever the hard words are there, try to write it down in your notebook and write its rhyming words also. So what are the rhyming words that we will go through? Men, when, in first stanza. Second one, west, rest. Third para, then, men. Fourth para, small, all. Fifth para, eyes, wise. Okay, so these are the rhyming words in that poem. You can mark it down in your notebook. Whatever is remaining, that we will continue in the next lecture. Till then, be safe.